So today we are going to be taking a look at this. This is the Pamu Slide 2 and it's one of the newer earbuds just released by Pamu. On the front of the box, of course, we can see the Pamu branding in this like iridescent color, and on the top right we can see that this is a Red Dot winner of 2022, which means that it's a really good product. And beneath here we can see a few specifications and features. It has hybrid active noise cancelling, AI smart call noise cancelling, and voice enhancements. Around the box is just the same Pamu branding all in white, and on the bottom we can see right here I got the black color version. And on the back we have more about the earbuds themselves. We can see that it has active noise cancelling, AI smart call, again 10mm pen plus titanium composite speaker, voice enhancements, and in-ear detection with Bluetooth 5.2 built in. Overall, they are really nice features, and let's unbox it to see what we get inside. First thing you get in the box is actually a pretty short Type A to Type C charging cable. It looks pretty standard and it feels quite decent. Second thing you get in the box is this little carrying case for your earbuds. They feel pretty good, they feel like pleather, and the material inside is soft enough to protect your earbuds, and you have this Pamu branding on the front of it. And of course in the box you also get the Pamu Slide 2 user manual, which come in different languages, and it teaches you how to power it on, how to use it and everything, and all of the instructions with all of the tips and safety information in here. And on the back we also get a few QR codes for you to find the app and more instructions online on how to use this device. And you also get extra ear tips and earbuds in this little box so you can fit it to your ear properly. And of course you get the earbuds themselves in their carrying or charging case right here. So first impression so far, it feels pretty nice, and you can see this Pamu branding on the front. It's designed like this because it's actually a sliding mechanism, hence the name Pamu Slide 2. So all you have to do is just slide it to the top, and you can see the top left and right side earbuds inside the case. So on top of the case right here, we can see the port, the charging port. So this way you connect your Type-C cable to charge it up, and it looks just like this, and it's just flat with this plastic on the side. And the back is the same plastic build. It's again just this matte plastic, and I think that it's kind of a fingerprint magnet. You can see a little bit of oil already on it. And on the bottom of the case we can see a LED indicator light bar right here, so it actually indicates the percentage of battery it has, or when you're charging it, it will show the charging progress. So far from testing it, I think that this mechanism works pretty well, and it does snap into place and open up really easily, and I think it's pretty good, and I think Pamu says that it will last for a really long time. So this is a little bit of the sliding mechanism you can see. So this is the front plate, so it just slides up and down like this, and you can kind of see a little bit of the mechanism exposed right there. Pretty cool, and I think it looks okay. This is what the inside of the case looks like. You can see it sits in there, the earbuds. You have your left and right indicator, and you have a little 2-pin magnets right here that actually charges up the earbuds. And this is how the earbuds themselves look like. So you can see there's a little P indicator for the Pamu branding, and on the top there we can see the microphones for the active noise cancelling, which is really nice. And you can see it's a pretty plasticky blue all around, but it does have like this metal finish on it. It does look pretty small, and it won't be that obvious when it's into your ear. And it basically has the same design as other wireless earbuds, as you guys can see right here. And of course the replaceable earbuds or ear tips right here. And I would say that they snap really easily into the case. When you put them in, they just snap into place with the magnets. And you can also see how much charge is left by the light indicator bar on the bottom of the case. So to connect these earbuds to your phone is actually really easy. All you have to do is just take them out from the case, and you can see that they are ready to pair with your Bluetooth on your phone. After you have it connected to the Bluetooth on your phone, you can now open up the Pamu app and just sync it to the application, and you can adjust a lot of settings inside the app. You can also see the battery life of your Pamu Slide 2 in the application, adjust the ANC mode or switch between them, go to advanced setting to change out the EQ or game mode and voice enhancements, and this automatic in-ear detection, or you can do some personal settings and also update the earbuds in this application. So when you're actually using the earbuds to game, the latency is actually not that noticeable with Bluetooth 5.2. But if you're using it to watch movies or videos, let's say on YouTube and Netflix, you can actually see or hear the noticeable latency. It is pretty good with Bluetooth 5.2, but it's still a little bit noticeable. For fitment wise, it does fit my ears pretty good, and if it doesn't fit your ears, you can also switch out the earbuds to different sizes to suit your ears. And as for this active noise cancelling or this hybrid noise cancelling feature on the earbuds, I think that they are more of a gimmick than a function. When turning it on or off on the earbuds or in the application, I don't really hear or feel a noticeable difference between ANC off or on. For me, it's kind of a gimmick or marketing stunt, but overall it's a pretty good feature to be included, or maybe they can update this in the future with software updates. So what is my conclusion on this Pamu Slide 2 earbuds? Overall, it's a pretty good pair of earbuds, especially I think priced at $70 to $80 is a pretty good price where it includes a lot of features. It comes with a pretty nice case with a sliding mechanism and a really cool feature like LED bar on the bottom, and the application does work as intended. So at the end of the day, if you just want a reliable and budget friendly earbuds to use on the go with a pretty cool design, you can definitely go for this Pamu Slide 2. So yeah, that has been it for this video guys. Leave a like on this video if you liked it, dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I have more content coming very soon, and also a huge thank you to Pamu for sending this over, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye guys.